In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about navigating the Google Slides toolbar effectively. The toolbar in Google Slides is an essential feature designed to help you quickly access the commands and tools you'll need for creating and editing your presentations. Situated right below the menu bar, it's your go-to hub for a smooth workflow. Whether you're adding new elements, adjusting the design, or polishing up your slides, the toolbar is where you'll find many of the tools you'll use frequently. First up, let's talk about adding a new slide. This is probably one of the most common functions you'll use, as creating a compelling presentation often requires multiple slides. By clicking the New Slide button, you can instantly add a slide with the default layout. It's easy, intuitive, and keeps your workflow seamless. Next, we have the Undo and Redo buttons. These are vital for efficiency, allowing you to reverse or reapply your last actions. Made a mistake? No worries, just hit Undo. Changed your mind again? Redo is right there to help. Adjusting the view of your slides is key for proper editing, and that's where the zoom feature comes in. Whether you need to zoom in for precision work or zoom out for an overview, you can easily adjust your view scale to fit your needs. This tool ensures you're always seeing your slides from the best perspective. The Select tool is your cursor's default mode, ideal for moving objects around or selecting multiple items. It's essential for organizing your content effortlessly. Adding text to your slides is straightforward with the text box tool. Simply click to add a text box anywhere on your slide. This feature is crucial when you need to insert additional information or captions beyond the predefined text areas. When it comes to adding visual flair, the Insert Image function is your best friend. This provides options to insert photos from various sources, like uploading from your computer or searching the web. Visual elements can significantly enhance your presentation's impact. For more customization and creativity, explore the Shapes, Arrows, and Callouts options. These let you insert various shapes and visual indicators to highlight or organize information effectively. You can draw attention or highlight specific areas using line tools, which allows you to draw lines in different styles like elbow or curved lines. These are excellent for connecting points or drawing attention to specific slide areas. The comment feature is useful for collaborative projects. You can add comments to specific parts of your slides to discuss edits or improvements with your team seamlessly. The background tool is where you can change the slide's background color or image, giving each slide a unique feel or consistent branding throughout. For a quick change in how your content is presented, the Layout menu provides several options to switch up where your text and images sit without any drastic manual changes. The Theme option allows you to choose or customize the overall visual theme. This can apply to all slides, keeping your presentation consistent and visually appealing. To make your presentation more dynamic, Transition adds animations between slides. It's a great way to keep your audience engaged. Finally, the More Options drop-down houses additional tools like speaker notes and Q&A tools. It's the repository for features that can enhance your presentation experience, offering everything you need to create, share, and present your slides effectively. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using the Google Slides toolbar like a pro. With these tools at your fingertips, your presentations are bound to be more organized, visually stunning, and impactful.